Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mitsubishi Fuso super great transporter. So I just saw this one and personally loved it because one, it's Mitsubishi, and two, I never actually collected this trailer or truck kind of things. I just wanted to try with Tomica first because Tomica always does everything really well for the price range. I think this is around 499 if I'm not wrong. Sorry, 599. Yeah, that justifies the price actually. Okay, let me see if the scale is mentioned anywhere. I don't think so. Okay, fine. Let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So my very first transporter. Okay. Okay, here it is. So this front part is actually made of metal, and okay, this is actually made of metal. So everything is actually made of metal. This part is made of plastic, and these cars are actually not movable. It is just fixed. Let me try to show you everything closely, guys. I don't think we can dismantle this, but it's fine. It is a bit heavy. It is not that much heavy. I don't think we can move or open this one. No, it is not doable. So there is some interior here, like there are two seats, the driver and passenger seat. I don't think you guys can able to see it. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have any suspension, but it's fine, it does. The articulation is really good. This one is really nice actually. Yeah, that is really nice. So these cars are actually made of plastic. Yeah, these are made of plastic here. The paint job is really nice. It doesn't have any irregularities. So there's a small paint smear here, but apart from that, I don't see anything wrong in this one. The logo also, painted that pretty much really nice. There's no smear or double paint or something like that. So I don't think we can do a roll test on this one. For its size, it does roll really well. The wheels doesn't wobble. It looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.